Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download Robinhood wallet on your Android or iOS device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's begin. Alright guys, head over to your Play or App Store, and then what you want to do in the search bar is type in Robinhood wallet, and then you want to click and download Robinhood wallet by Robinhood. So I'll go in, it's got over 5,000 downloads, and this is the official app for Robinhood. So go ahead and click on install, and then let this download and install. I'll pause this video and get back to you once this is done. Alright guys, it has finished downloading and installed, so I'm going to go ahead and click on open, and now you want to go ahead and click on get started Robinhood wallet. Alright, you've got a few different options here. You can create a new wallet, import your existing wallet, or recover your wallet from a Google Drive. So for this demonstration, you want to click on, I'm going to click on create a new wallet. You can use biometrics or create a custom PIN. I'm going to do custom PIN. Alright, that PIN is now set. You can back up your wallet to Google Drive or back it up manually. I'm just going to skip this part. You can turn on notifications, click on allow, and there you go, your wallet is ready. So click on let's go. And yeah, that's it guys, how to download and install Robinhood wallet on your Android or iOS device. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.